Introducing the Newport Collection by Garrison, capturing the relaxed, modern vibe of the California coast. This collection features wide 8 5/8 inch planks with a light wire brush finish designed to highlight the natural beauty of European oak while adding a refined, coastal charm to any space. The precise micro-beveled edges provide a seamless, polished look throughout. Built for durability, each plank is finished with an aluminum oxide coating, providing superior protection against scratches, stains, and wear. Explore the stunning colors of the Newport Collection. Paradise Coves, Manhattan Beach, Shell Beach, Pebble Beach, Del Mar, Laguna Beach, Zuma Beach, Carmel. Experience the timeless charm of the coast with the Newport Collection, an unmatched combination of beauty, durability, and value, offering the ideal flooring solution for your home. Want to learn more? Click the link below and try our visualizer tool. Want to see these colors in person? Contact us via the link below to be connected with your local sales rep and to find the dealer nearest you.